gonna be taking my brother's C6. I don't know if you guys remember, it's been a while since we made a video on that, but he's got a C6 with a Procharger. It's 427. It's actually spec'd to build almost identically to my motor because we bought them together, the one that's in the Trans Am. I think he has a different crank, but it's about the same components. But yeah, that's what we're here doing today, the C6 right here. My brother, Jay, you guys have seen him in the videos before. What are you doing?
Putting it on.
He says it's got to look good to be on camera, so he's putting this front spoiler on. We've had it off for towing purposes, but it's, like I said, some changes since you last seen it. I'll put the link for the last video right here if you guys want to check it out. New hood, some cosmetic changes, fueling changes, interior engine bay cosmetic changes. You'll see everything once we strap it to the dyno. They're getting ready to strap it down here right now, but this is the part of the video where we kind of guesstimate what the car's gonna put down. Any guesses now before?
Guess or what I want?
Both. Give me both. Give me both.
Guess. I feel like I'm gonna guess high, but I'm gonna guess 840.
Okay.
What I'd like to be at probably above 880.
Okay. I guess we'll see.
See, hopefully.
But yeah, it's the same motor spec as my car. We actually bought the motors together a long time ago. 427. The only difference is that his crank is a Dragon Slayer. I went with the Dart. Other than that, the only difference in the engine itself is the heads, and of course he's Procharged F1A, where I have twin turbos. But the motor's capable of a lot of power. It really is. Obviously, with my build, to put down a lot of power. So this car is more streetable. It's more of a street car than mine is. So obviously, it's not going to make as much power as mine, but it can. So safely, it should make some decent power out of this thing and be enjoyable. Okay. 765 is what it made. A little short of the goal.
First 3 runs.
Yep. Let's see what he can bring it up on.
Little bit more.
You gotta stay in there. You gotta look over.
Well, I didn't know if he was gonna do something first. Or...
Yeah, he's gonna edit it. So. I mean, we're close to it.
Just need a little bit more, and I'll be happy.
We'll see if he can squeeze any more out. It's close to there. It's close to there. Really, what's holding
another 35 would be fine.
Honestly, what's holding you back, like he said, those intake air temps are robber of power. So you got to get those under control, and then it'll probably break 900 at that point.
Yeah.
That's not bad for like 10. What did you say? 10, 13 pounds of boost?
Yeah, it was 13.
Yeah. It sounds good too.
Yeah.
Hit the target.
That's good. That's a good guess. I guess
He guessed it.
That's spicy.
He guessed it. We were open for 850. We got it. Now this thing is a fucking eardrum breaker though. Jesus.
it would hold my ear.
High intake temp still?
Yeah, they're up there like 170.
Yeah.
That's a short pull.
Yeah.
So on the road, probably
Yeah. Thanks to Caesar at Horsepower Factory. If you haven't already, make sure you go hit him up on his YouTube. They are pumping out some content on YouTube. I'll put the link right here. The link's always in my description down below. But big shout out to those guys for taking us in on a Saturday and getting this thing done. We're happy he hit his goal like he wanted to. So for now, we just gotta drive the car. Take it back to Jay's shop now, do some cleaning up and take some B-roll of the car to kind of show you guys what it's all about. And yeah, that's it. Everything else, the car's great. It's good to go. Feel free to give him some love on Instagram. Go follow him. Leave him a comment. Tell him we want to see this thing do some road racing. See what the mile per hour is all about. But yeah, that's it for us. We're going to wrap up the video here. That thing just sounds so nasty. Love it. Sounds good, huh? You happy with it?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, that's it then.
Huh?
That's it. You gotta stay on my headlines. You know my headlines? You even watch my videos?
I don't.
We gotta get back to work.
We gotta get back to work.
Yeah.
I gotta get back to work.
Yeah.